Hi guys, welcome to Savage.
Hey guys, it's Ren. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or hi if you're new. Today is my 8th grade recognition, along with all you other Savage 8th graders watching this video. So basically, I didn't vlog anything getting ready because I just didn't. So I'm wearing like this dress, these necklaces, and like these bracelets. My hair ended up like this, these earrings, and I'm wearing these like cute sandals.
Yo, what up guys? Now I'm at the thing, vlogging again. This is Cat Bay. I don't know what else to say, guys. So peace. Now I'm here with Paige.
So,
yeah. This here is my new #1 subscriber. She's always watching my videos and all my math class live streams.
we were watching together in math. We're just like, what's vlogging?
I'm vlogging!
Oh my gosh! Don't
just call me.
It's Ren. We should take a selfie together.
Selfie.
Hey guys, I'm back home now and I got a smoothie. So it was a lot of fun and I got to see a lot of friends, so it was a great time. And I think we sounded kind of bad for choir, but this vlog is going to be today, tomorrow, which I'm going to Six Flags for school, and that's when I make that its own video, but I don't think so. I'll let you know. And with the last day of school, which I'm hanging out with Paige, Cat Bag, and Christiana, so that is all I'll be vlogging for today, I think, because I don't really do anything. But wow, these flowers are kind of cool. Yo guys, it's Six Flags Day.
We on the bus. Yo, this place is cool. I'm scared, but this place is cool. Christiana and Laura are riding together. Christiana.
The picture?
I scream like a seagull. I screamed in her ear. So we went on the Demon again. That time Caden and Garrett went on. Oh my god. With Zin, now we're in a parking lot going back to our bus. We got these stamps. What a drumming food! Isn't this some nice music? Oh my god! Wow. That's cool. Here's some of my fans apparently featuring. So call me maybe, and all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number. So call me maybe. Into my life, I miss you so bad. We're leaving Great America. So sad, such sadness. How burnt am I? We're back at school now and we're all gonna go home.
Yeah, I just popped out of nowhere.
And I've recorded an intro for these next video clips, but these are from the carnival, which now from today, it was yesterday, but you can watch my videos, which I only have 3. I thought I had vlogged more, but here you go, grab it. But here you go.
Here's our waffle mess. Yeah.
Hi, welcome to iHow. How may I help you? Yo guys, just walking through the hallways. Yeet.
Yo guys, it's the last day of school today, which is actually kind of sad because with as much as I've hated that school in 7th and 8th grade, I actually liked it in 6th grade. I'm gonna miss it, so yeet.
Hey guys, now we're at school. I'm here with Alessandra. This is the yearbook. It's pretty. She worked on it, so did Caden. I don't think he wants to be in my vlog.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Am I in the vlog now?
Yeah, you're in my vlog.
Oh my god, I'm so popular. I've always wanted to be in it. Wow.
Okay. We're signing yearbooks. Why is my choker always messed up?
I'm here. Oh.
I got all these signatures, and on the other page, it's Gavin taking up a whole page.
Did you really? Wait, can I see?
Yeah. Who wants to be in my vlog?
Me. Hi. Hi. Hi.
No. Y'all get to be in my vlog. I can't go too far though.
9 years. That's what I get. Disappointment.
No.
Cool sucks.
Yeah. But I'm still gonna miss this place.
I brought an air horn to school and I just said, like,
Dude, you're in my vlog now. I like put up in
the hallway.
You're saying so tired.
Yeah, because
she's in the hallway.
I'm admitting to my crime. Yo, we're vlogging and yeah, we're like outside. See, we're vlogging. And now we're vlogging. And now we're vlogging. Guys, we're all leaving. Do you approve of this music? School's Out by Alice Cooper? Because I approve. Okay, go. Okay, so I'm here with Kappa, Egg, Paige, and Kaden. Christiana's going to her house to get her money. We're walking to get food.
And we found our like
we went to
Ren met
4K there. Yeah, we met there like nearly 10 years ago.
Best friends. Yeah, we're almost like we almost known each other for a whole decade. Like that's crazy.
I didn't meet these other losers till Evans. So we decided to eat at Burger King because there's a lot of people at McDonald's. It's been an inside joke between Kappa and I that we were going to come to Pick and Save. Like we always said, we were just gonna leave school, come to Pick and Save.
It's been that way for like 3 years.
Which we didn't just leave school to do it, but like it's the last day of middle school, and now we like actually are here. And my aunt works here, so I can check out her line. I'm just gonna buy Oreos because gotta buy something. So I just bought a bouncy ball and Oreos to take to the Evans playground because we're actually like 5, not freshmen.
I feel like I'm in 5th grade. We just bought like a bunch of candy
my aunt was working, so she checked us out, and it was lit. No one says that.
So we're taking a water break. Christiana's torturing me by playing my old YouTube videos. Did I zoom in? No, I can't.
I'm torturing myself too because this is actually really funny though.
It's trash.
I can't use my face.
A&W mukbang, I don't know, but like I got this over here, and like I don't know, how do you say it? Tell us.
I don't know how to say it either.
And then I got shrimp.
Is this like the intro?
No, I already did the intro.
Oh.
This is like a last week of school vlog, so it's like all of this week.
Oh.
Yeah.
Explain it while recording.
Yeah.
Can I be the intro though for this section? Hi guys, welcome to Save-ish.
That'll be the intro to the whole video, and then it'll cut to the actual clip.
Are you gonna have bloopers? Am I part of the bloopers?
I should have bloopers.
Yes.
Cue the bloopers.
Okay.
How burnt am I? I can't see.
What are you doing? Hi.
Ready for the backflip? Whoa!
Yes.
Whoa!
Yo, stop. It's not working. What was that? I think I did actually. Oh, it's Tony. Oh my god.
I guess you have to wait.
I'm going.
Oh, don't say over! Hey! Stop sign here. It's over here!
No, you have to stop for school kids. So technically they were supposed to stop.
Yeah, I mean, should stop. Oh my gosh. To stop for pedestrians. Stop! Stop!
Won't you stop the music, get into it? Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. Your name I'll never know as we get down in the world below. Caught up in an overflow. My hands are bones. Wide-eyed, you look at me. Set on fire until the dream. Spin around and feel the breeze. Count 1, 2, 3. And won't you stop the music, get into it? Won't you dance with me? Find the place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. We gotta lose it. 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 We gotta lose it, we gotta lose it, we gotta lose it. Don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me?